Gulfport. Here's another city council meeting. This meeting on 12/1/2020, again during the COVID time frame. Anyway, we're doing it at a different location, Hickman Theater. But on this one, the entire meeting is about the Crooked Boca Ciega Yacht Club. And they had a whole bunch of their clowns come up and speak about this and that. And it's a good one to listen to. You can listen to all of the city council meetings online. Just type in Gulfport, Florida city council meetings and they come up. And you can listen to each one of them. This one has the yacht club and all of their cronies coming up. As a matter of fact, the woman that spoke just immediately before me is, I don't even remember her name is, but she filed stalking charges against me. And I have the audio of her crying in the case, which I'll be posting the audio and everything on that too. Because I have another stalking charge. This is the 5th stalking charge that these clowns have tried to bring against me, and I'll be defending myself on February 6th in stalking case, and it's going to be a banger. But here's me speaking at Boca Ciega Yacht Club, and this breaks down basically from the beginning about me and what's been going on. Let's hear what you got to say.
My name is Ray Rodriguez. I moved to Gulfport with my pregnant wife, bought a house, and commenced to call Gulfport a home. I raised my children here. I started multiple small businesses. I'm still presently a small business owner.
I paid off that home.
I joined Boca Ciega Yacht Club after sailing in and out of the marina for a full decade. Once I joined the club, I joined as a professional mariner and repair mechanic. And as a 10-year member, I'd like to add that there was a 30-year marriage involved. My wife and I were separated. This group took it upon themselves to annul a Florida. What they did was they took the family membership and said that my wife and I must pay twice the dues of everybody else. What this group did was they attacked the family at the worst possible moment that they could. This is a 30-year marriage with small children. What they did was they commenced to, I think the word is extort money, which is extort from my family, which is the taking of money under threat. They said that they did not recognize a state of Florida marriage certificate, nor did they recognize a union between two people. A pattern commenced, starting with this man right here, Lee Nell. I would love to sit down and share all the information with Lee Nell about our interreactions. This man here, Richard Walters, commenced to call the police erroneously and falsely.
Many times.
Tony Angel, I can keep going about the
assaulted me with an automobile
that I've felt. The first cease and desist letter was sent to Lee Nell. The letter started out, stop it, stop it, stop it. How many times do I have to say stop it? Leave me and my family alone. You remember that, Lee? Garth Reynolds. You remember the certified letter I sent to you in Boca Ciega? It said, stay off of my property. Do not ever talk about my mother again. You remember that? Again, Richard Walters, how many times have you called the police? What I do want to make sure is everybody realizes as you said, Mayor, the utilization of the city's resources.
Weaponizing the police.
I have asked for 6 separate occasions for the proof of the rental payment from this group.
Cover
they
up.
have not made their rental payment in 13 years.
I can prove it.
Again, there's something wrong in Gulfport. I'm a father. I'm seeing these same interactions by Tony Angel coming at my child when he goes to sail
Ray
at
Rodriguez.
Boca Ciega Yacht Club. Again, I will not stand for discrimination, hate, or bigotry in my neighborhood.
400
Every single
yards.
interreaction I talked about happened within 400 yards of my front door. Thank you. Thank you.
And I'll lay out a map here shortly saying exactly that. Now, I also, at the beginning of this,
Mr. Mather, do you
I
have anybody
spoke
calling in? Yes, Mayor. At this time, if you wish to...
at the very beginning.
Here.
Vice Mayor Fedovich.
Here.
Councilmember Thanos. Here. Mayor Henderson.
Here.
City Manager O'Reilly.
Here.
City Attorney Salzman.
Here.
And again, this city council
All right, so
meeting
to
is
start
only
tonight,
about
we've got a public comment. It's the first thing on the agenda tonight.
crooked
This will be the public
beyond
comment for
criminal
anything else other
yacht
than what's
club.
on the agenda. So
That's
we
the
will
only
have a
thing that was
separate
on the agenda.
Public comment for the
BCYC lease renewal discussion later. So this is for anything else that you may want. You'll have 3 minutes. You use a microphone here at the front and give your name and your address, and we'll just go with a show of hands for this open public comment.
Yeah, I should have figured out how to do this. I actually hired a video editor that's going to help me launch my lawsuit lottery. Stay tuned for that.
My name is Ray Rodriguez, and I'm here for the meeting that we have scheduled. And my question for the city is, who investigates discrimination within the city of Gulfport?
Okay.
And are they asleep at the wheel? Thank you.
All right.
His name is Jim O'Reilly. He's the city manager. He's the human rights director officer for the city of Gulfport. He's also a crooked covering up for a discriminating yacht club. Jim O'Reilly is the human rights officer, and he just ignores the Pinellas County Office of Human Rights Investigations. Anyway, stay tuned. What can go wrong? I got more coming up.